Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm going to be showing you guys today how I'm going to make my maternity shoot bra and panty set. I got this inspiration a little bit from Pinterest, so I wanted to try it myself. I have bra, panties, and I have my hot glue gun, and I have my flowers that I got from Dollar Tree. You get them anywhere. I just went to Dollar Tree because it's much cheaper, and I'm not going to be able to use this outfit ever again. So just like a one-time thing. So I got like a dozen of roses. I'm going with a Valentine's Day theme, so that's why I chose red roses. You could use any flowers you prefer, sunflowers, whatever that you feel like you want your theme to your photo shoot would be. So I got these little cute rhinestones as well, which I didn't use. But first things first, I'm gonna rip and tear out all the supplies I'm gonna be needing. You're gonna need scissors, your hot glue gun. It did come with this silicone mat, so any like leftover residue from the hot glue doesn't like go on my bed or just spill and make a mess. So I had about like 10 hot glue sticks. I used about 5. And the first thing you're gonna do, make sure you have a bra that you really like. This bra is like a push-up bra, so it does give me a lot of comfort. I initially did the straps on this bra, but I figured it looked a little bit better strapless. So here I am now. I'm going to take the first flower and I'm going to rip off that little green part because it's not needed at all. It doesn't stick with the glue and the fabric of the bra at all. So what you want to do is take the glue and that little green piece in the middle, you want to glue it with the rose petals. Glue it around and then press it into the bra itself. So like I said, I didn't do the straps anymore, but this is just a first demonstration of how I got it done. And make sure you really be careful because the glue is extremely hot. Like I burned my fingers a couple times, so just be careful with that. And don't mind my nails. You know, I was in the middle of ripping them off because I'm very impatient, and for some reason I just don't like to soak them off. So I just literally be just ripping them off, which I should stop doing that. But I'm showing you guys the little green piece. So if you want to make things go a little bit quicker, you can rip off all the green pieces and just prep before you start gluing them. So yeah.
Narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, take out, no monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna, busting up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to slip across the border, glass, see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald, out, bag of money, know I gotta have it, savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali, Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage, kill his whole family, if you run off with the package, I just put a pack on the way to Bogota, poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw, watch out, I don't know if he'll talk, get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off, they know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring, investigating, taking pictures of the whole team, undercover trying to do his thing, 10 mil on a plane, going straight to Medellin, trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, hey, cold gang with the cocaine, the more money make more rain, going up a bank while I'm back in propane, point blank range, give a nigga nose range, skip to my loo with the pack and the cat.
I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you, I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys what I came up with so far. So this is how it looks. I'm not completely done, but I want to give you guys like a little sneak peek of how it looks right now. Like I did say, I did unhook the straps, so it's going to look way different. But this is, yeah, what I came up with so far. And it took me about like 20 minutes. And depending how fast you work, this shouldn't take you long at all, but it looks really good and it's full. I try to do it as close as possible. Like, I didn't want any spaces in between. I wanted it to look really, really full, and it looked like, you know, it looked like it's professionally done. So yeah, if you're a really crafty person, this is like a good activity to do. But yeah, I really, really, really loved how it came out. This flower right here is giving me some problems. I got a different like set, but it's not something you could notice. Like, all the flowers look alike, but these flowers were a little stubborn, so I had to like try to twist and tear it off. But yeah, it came out really good so far.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option,
now I'm gonna start doing the panties. I just laid it out flat on the bed, and I'm gonna start hot gluing it right in the middle of like the crotch area, and then I'm gonna work my way up to the band of the panties. I do it this way just so I can make sure it's really full in the middle. Full at the crotch area before going towards the middle, because when you think about when you're wearing it, the flowers do like I said, it does space out. So you want to do it so it is all like together, it's clumped together basically, because it does stretch once you put it on.
Narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, take out, no monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna, bouncing up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water, got see yours out, got me beat by Verona, out bag of money, know I gotta have it, savage, but I'm till a gentleman in Cali, athletic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage, kill his whole family, if you run off with the package, I just put a pack on the way to Bogota, poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw, I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk, get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off, they know that we're a gang, but they say that we'll ring, investigating, taking pictures of the whole team, undercover trying to do his thing, sitting there on the bike, going straight them in a team, trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, hey, cold gang with the cocaine, the more money make more rain, going up a paint while I'm back in propane, point blank range, give a nigga nose range, skip to my loo with the pack and the cat.
I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you, I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way,
all right, this is what I got so far. This is not the finished product, but I wanted to show you guys how it looked. I was a little excited, so like this is how it would come together. I still gotta fill in some spots, some spaces on the panties, and I took the straps off of the bra so it looks like way better. But yeah, everything looked cute. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more. And thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys in my next video.
Won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you.